Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document with Adobe. First, open the PDF document you need to sign using Adobe Acrobat Reader or Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Ensure your document is properly loaded and all necessary information is visible. Having the correct software installed also ensures smooth functionality for all signing features, making your process easy. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the right-hand pane of the Adobe window. Here, you will find a selection of tools, and you are looking for Fill and Sign. If you do not see it there, navigate to the Tools menu at the top, then select Fill and Sign. This action will open the necessary signing options above your document. Now, click on the Sign option that appears after activating the Fill and Sign tool. A small menu will pop up. Choose Add Signature. You have three excellent options. You can type your name, which Adobe will stylize into a signature font. You can draw your signature using your mouse, or you can upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose the method that, at this stage, gently incorporate your sliced green chilies and any other fresh vegetables you prefer, like vibrant bell peppers or crisp long beans. Now, pour in the full 1 cup of rich coconut milk, stirring it carefully to evenly coat every ingredient in the pot. Reduce your heat to a low setting and allow the dish to simmer very gently for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow process ensures the pork becomes wonderfully tender and the sauce thickens perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.